Well, good morning, everyone, team. First of all, a warm welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings to every one of you. And I would like to thank each one of you for taking your time for attending the session today. So let me start the session for today. Already we waited for 5 minutes. Let the other people can join parallelly into the meeting. But let us start the topic for today, team. So once again, a warm welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings team. My name is Kumar and I am the founder director for TrioTech Software Trainings, and also I am a lead trainer on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications in TrioTech Software Trainings. Before starting the session for today, getting into the agenda for today, let me make you announcement team. See, today in this demo session, we have mix of participants from different backgrounds attended the class today. I mean to say, we have the candidates like who are recent college passed out freshers who completed their graduations, might be into any different streams like BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, BTech, MTech, MCA, any educational background it might be, who recently completed their studies and looking for a good technology in the market to start their career in IT industry with a good package and with a stable environment team. We have that kind of participants in the call today. And we also have the participants like people who completed their studies and having career gap in between, like it's been already 1 year, 2 year, or 3 years or 4 years. You might be having a gap in between after your graduations or education team. Now you want to learn something good in the market and you want to start your career in IT industry. We have that kind of people also in the session today. And we have people from non-IT experiences. They might be working in non-IT into different streams, might be in banking industry, might be marketing, sales, recruitment. They are having some non-IT experiences. Now they want to learn a good technology in the market and they want to transition their career into IT industry with good package team. And we have also people who already working in IT industry but into different other technologies. They might be working on PeopleSoft, EBS, or JD Edwards, or Oracle DBA, or any Power BI or MSBI testing tools. They might be working in some other technologies in the IT industry only, but their technologies got saturated and their packages got stable and the market is not good for that technologies currently. So they want to switch their career into this Oracle HCM cloud applications. So to have a, I mean like uh, population wise, if you see, we have people from different backgrounds attending the session today. So we have kept everyone in mute in today's session team. As it is a demo class today, we want what we want to explain with respective to this technology team. With respective to your questions, if you have anything in your mind, don't worry team. I've been seeing some of you already posting your questions here. But don't worry, at the end of the session, I will have Q&A round. Each and every one question I will address and I will leave for the day today. Okay. Don't worry about that. We kept everyone in mute. So please be on the mute. Focus on the session for the next 1 hour or 1.5 hours, whatever the things that I'm going to explain you. Please focus on that team. So you will get full clarity about this subject. What is this technology? How good it will be in the market? Whether it is suitable to you for your background or not. These all things I'm going to cover in this demo session. Because if I start taking up the questions in between, every individual will have doubts from their career perspective. one might have a career break. He might have a question, Kumar, is this eligible to me? Can I learn it? Some people might have some other IT domain experiences. They have a question from their career. So if I start taking your questions in between the session, other people might get carried away and that might not be relevant for them, team, right? Agreed with me? So please park your questions. Each and every questions you write it down. At the end of the class we will have a detailed Q&A round and then you will understand, team. But my feeling will be, as such, I have been interacted with several students in my experience. Since 2015, we have TrioTech in the market, team. We started TrioTech software trainings in Hyderabad in KPHB in 2015. We exclusively conduct trainings on Oracle Fusion applications like HCM, finance, supply chain, technical, OIC. Exclusively, we are into Oracle Fusion trainings. And since 2015, every month, hundreds of students been getting trained from us. And I have a very good exposure with handling the students of different domains coming from. So when they've been interacting with me, the common questions that what they have in mind, or even the people who joined the session today, many of you already spoke with me, and many of you came to the office and you met with me over the last 1 week or 10 days before the session. So the kind of questions or the doubts that you have in mind, the common questions what you have, team, about your career, whether you are eligible to learn this technology or not. Or first of all, what is this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application means? What will be the market for this? Do we have calls in this domain or not? Or freshers, am I eligible? Or from non-IT experience, am I eligible? Kumar, I have some non-IT experience with 3 to 5 years or 7 years. Can I switch into this by keeping some experience of relevance in that? These sort of questions commonly people will have, team. I am going to cover these all related aspects in this today's demo session, team. So my personal feeling, after the session today, maximum 80% of your questions that what you have in mind at this point of time, you will be getting cleared off. So my sincere request, don't get carried away in between. Don't keep your mobiles, Instagram, YouTube scrolling shorts and all, team. Focus for next 1.5 hours. As it is a demo today, slightly we might be extending the session. But from tomorrow, strictly the session will start by 8 o'clock and it will end by 9 a.m. 1 hour per day. Today, you might be slightly extended for 10-15 minutes, team, because already we started the session late today, others to join. So be on the session till the end. So maximum your questions will get addressed, team. So thanks for understanding every one of you. Now, let us get into the topic for today. Why we are here, why you join today's session, what you are going to learn from this today's topic, team. So today we are here to know about Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications, team. So what is this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications? I'm going to introduce to you how to land upon a high paying job even as a beginner. Okay, even as a beginner with with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experiences, team. Okay, today I'm going to introduce to you how to land upon a high paying job even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experiences. Many of the students team will have a doubt in this area only, because many students, when they personally interacted with me, one common problem in everyone's life, that is what, team? Having no prior knowledge related to any languages. I mean to say, we are hesitated towards the coding concept in the IT applications. We don't know SQL, we don't know PLSQL, we don't know Java, Python, or basic C language or C++ or JSON, XML, any of the languages that we don't know, and we are hesitate towards the coding. The first question every student that will ask me, Kumar, I am hesitate towards coding. I don't know how to write that. Even if I attend the sessions related to any languages also, I can't able to grasp any topic related to that. So can I able to survive in the IT industry without having any prior coding experiences? No prior language I know, Kumar. Just I completed my graduation, that too not from any BTech or MCA, nothing. I completed my BSc or I completed my BA or BCom, MBA, right? Or Kumar, from last 5 6 years, I am working in some bank as a sales representative or in some consultancy as a US staffing recruiter or HR recruiter. We don't know anything technically. We don't know any prior languages knowledge. Is there any technology in the market like that where people from any background can get accommodated in that? Yes, team. We have one such technology in the market, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Okay. We have one such application, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team. So this is completely zero coding application. If you could see here, when I say zero coding, it's not 5%, 10%, completely zero coding application team. Oracle will develop the application and we will be working on the configuration side of the application team. So there is no point that you need to write a code or you need to write a procedure to execute the application. So this is completely zero coding application. People from any backgrounds are eligible to learn this domain. One best part with Oracle HCM Cloud applications team, that is currently in the market, if you see any IT company, you might take Deloitte, you might take Tech Mahindra, Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, anything. Companies not looking at your educational qualification to work in this technology team, to recruit you in this technology. They don't require only BTechs or MCA candidates. Any background people, companies been recruiting. So I am not passing this statement just like that. We been seen, my students from different streams from last 10 years I've been seeing team. They've been placed in good MNCs with very good packages. With 15 to 25 lakhs packages, many people got settled up within a span of 4 5 years of their experiences team. So that one best part we can able to tell is in Fusion HCM cloud applications, if you want to start your career, no, don't worry about your educational background stream. Companies look at your knowledge on this domain, to what extent you are trained on, to what extent you have relevant experience in this technology. Only that companies will be considering. So we are going to discuss today about that application only. So what is the technology you are going to learn, team? The application or the technology, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. What is this, Kumar? What is this Oracle HCM Cloud? Who will use this? What we will do once we learn this? In what sort of companies we will be recruited? Let me go through that point, team. So before getting into today's agenda, let me briefly introduce about myself, who I am, what is the experience that I am holding in this technology team. So quickly, let me introduce about myself. So as I already mentioned, my name is Kumar and already many of the students who joined the session already aware about myself team. I think you already reached to office and you contacted with me. So my name is Kumar. I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 15 plus years of experience team. By April last month, I reached the milestone of 15 plus years in my career experience. Out of that, last 12 plus years, I'm into IT consulting. So I've been part of this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications from last 9 years team. Total 12 plus years into IT consulting I have experience. Out of that, from last 8 to 9 years, I've been part of this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Prior to that, I've been part of PeopleSoft and EBS implementations team. So from last 8 to 9 years, I shifted to Oracle Fusion and close to 14 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects I worked on in this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. So coming to my clients that I worked for. So my clients are from US, UK, Australia, Finland, UAE. So these are the regions for the clients that I personally worked on their projects team. Now also I am working for one of the global implementation where the client presence is there in more than 50 plus countries. In that project, I'm working as a solution architect where I'm leading the team of 25 plus consultants under me. This is my professional experience related to this technology. A part of that team, coming to my training services, we started TrioTech in 2015 along with our projects or the projecting services that we do in the market. Since then, we have trained close to 20,000 plus students across different domains, not only Oracle Fusion HCM, financial, supply chain, technical, OIC, or you take PPM into different modules team. We've been providing the trainings since 2015 and we are available in KPHB in Hyderabad. A part of regular trainings that happens in TrioTech every month, like you, how you joining the batches team. I do also conduct corporate trainings for several companies. So more than 25 plus corporate trainings I have conducted team. When we say corporate trainings, companies in the market, in order to upskill their employees in this domain, they will be conducting the trainings to them. So officially we partnered with several companies for conducting the trainings for their employees in their organization team. If I have to name few of them, we have trained the employees on American Express, Amway, DHL, then we have DriveStream, and then we have Tech Mahindra. So few of them are these companies for which we conducted corporate trainings for their employees team. And I'm an ex-Deloitte, Infosys, and E&Y employee. So this is my professional experience team. So as I told you, I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist. I have completed my certifications in all the modules of Oracle HCM Cloud. And I'm also a trainer in Oracle University as well for conducting several training programs in this domain. So this is my professional experience with respective to this technology in the market. Okay. So let me get on to today's agenda team, today's demo agenda. What we are going to discuss in today's session. First, I will introduce to you the concept of ERP in the market team because our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications comes under ERP family. First, I will introduce to you the concept of ERP. What is ERP? How many products in the market we have? That all we will see team. Then I will introduce to you what is Fusion application and its evaluation overview. First of all, what is this Oracle Fusion or Oracle Cloud or Oracle Fusion HCM? What is this application? For what purpose this application will be used in the market? And the background of the Fusion applications, like when Oracle introduced these applications in the market, what is the evaluation path, what is the demand for this technology, that I will explain you here, team. After introduction to ERP, we will see the background of the Fusion application here, team. And then I will introduce to you types of companies involved. This is one of the important aspect every one of us should know. Whenever you starting your career in IT industry, first of all, you should know, once you learn any technology, team, it's not about Oracle Fusion. It might be DevOps, it might be Azure, it might be full stack. Any IT application, when you are learning, for what purpose you are learning, what you will do, in what sort of companies in the market you will be recruited, who is called as client or customer, right? So here I will introduce to you that aspect, team, types of companies involved in using of this application. And then I will talk about Fusion environment releases, team, like when Oracle introduced these applications into the market, what is the release version that they came up with. Since then, now we are in 2025, today is 30th May. As of today, what is the latest version of the Fusion application? Here Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy for their application team. How Oracle following, every time when Oracle upgrade their application, what happens in the system, that all I will introduce to you here, team. And then the most important part, modules in this technology, because few of the candidates already aware of this technology from your friends, family, any referrals team, they might be telling you, hey, learn functional HCM from TrioTech, or learn technical of HCM, or learn techno functional. And many of you also asked me this question, Kumar, what is functional, what is technical in this domain? What we have to learn, which is having high market currently? When we drop the resume to get good calls from the recruiters, what should be the point that we are focusing, whether we have to learn functional or technical, or combination of both techno functional? I will introduce to you here, team, what are the modules we have in this technology. And newly within Oracle Fusion application, Redwood UI came. So we will be touch basing in this training on that Redwood UI as well. And also the common thing everywhere in the market, the most happening word from politicians to business people or celebrities or a common man in any village also, if you touch today, everyone talking about AI, artificial intelligence, right? So many of you also having a doubt in your mind, what is the role of AI in this technology? Will that replace our jobs in the near future in this domain? Everywhere that is a worry people having, right? So what is the role of AI in this technology? That also we will see in this training team. Okay. And then I will talk about the career opportunities, career opportunities in this domain, team. Okay. What will be the packages in this domain? What sort of companies will recruit you? Freshers means what is the package companies offering? Experienced means what is the packages, or any recession impacts we have in this domain, right? Or next 15-20 years, if we be in this domain, do we have a good career or not? That all I will explain you in this career opportunities team. And then I will introduce to you Oracle Knowledge Repository. Like anyhow, as part of this training program, I'm going to give you personalized materials for every concept in the system. On top of that, if you want to explore Oracle documentation, where we have to go in the internet, which website we have to go, where we can download Oracle materials from Oracle University, that I will introduce to you here, team. Oracle's knowledge repository. And team, few of the students having doubt with certification process, because many institutes forcefully saying that certification, I mean, I'm not talking about Oracle trained institutes, general SAP, you take other technologies in the market, that they will force you to do the certifications, team. So here also people asking, Kumar, do we have to do certification? Is it mandatory in this domain? So here I will let you know about that, team. What is Oracle certification process? What is the cost incurred? First of all, is it really required to you or not? That I will touch base to you here, team. And finally, I will conclude the session today with why TrioTech, why Kumar as your trainer, what benefits or the support, or what will be the roadmap for next 3 months to crack the interview. I will be explaining you, team, all the course features and all. So this is the structured agenda for today's demo. Step by step, we will see, team. By the end of today's demo, you will get complete picture about your career, whether to choose this domain or not. Okay. This is today's demo agenda, team. So I request everyone, please focus, don't get deviated from now onwards. Each and every topic I am going to explain you will answer your question that you have in your mind now. Okay. And meanwhile, our team reaching out to you with the Google form link. People whoever directly joined today's demo, many of you already had a word with our team or me, but whoever directly joined from a reference of your friend or family, something, please fill the Google form, because after the session, if we have to reach out to you for the enrollment team, that would be helpful. If you are not filling the Google form, the contact between we and you, there will be nothing. So please fill Google form parallelly while you attending the session. So admin team, please drop it in the chat board so that they can able to find the Google form link. Okay. So now let me start with the topic of introduction to ERP. But before that thing, introduction to ERP, first question everyone will have, whether I am eligible to learn this course or not. So this is the slide that will answer your question, team. For whom this course is for? Okay. If you fall in any of these criteria, you are eligible or you can learn this technology, team. If you are in your final year of degree, any degree, you want to start a career in IT as soon as you complete your education. You want to learn a good IT tech application and you want to start your career, then you are eligible, team. Or if you have just completed your graduation and don't know what to do, I mean to say which technology to learn, which will be the best career option to you, then recent passed out grads, they are eligible, team. Or 1 year, 2 years after your graduation, you have a gap, don't worry, you are eligible to learn, team. Or if you want to get a high paying job moving out of your current unstable job stream, for non IT people, people from different non IT experiences, you want to transition your career. Non IT means it could be from any background stream, sales, marketing, finance, HRs, anything, right? You want to move to IT by learning this technology, then you are eligible to learn this course. If you want to get a salary of 25 to 45 lakhs in the next 4 to 5 years, Kumar, this is very big number you are telling. This is not something that I have put on for myself. This is the current market standards in ERP applications, team. Any ERP application in the market you take, companies do offer very good packages, because these all are consulting jobs, client oriented jobs, team. So we have the offerings by the companies like this only. So in this domain, people with 4 to 5 years or 6 years of relevant experience in this domain, definitely drawing the packages between 25 to 30, 25 to 45 like that. Many of our alumni, our students from to 2018, 2019, whoever been working team, definitely they are in these packages currently. So people from any degree, any background. So this is my personal line. People from any degree, any background are eligible to learn this course team. So now you decide if you fall in any of these criteria, you are eligible team, right? So as I told you, no prior knowledge of any skills required to learn this. Just come with blank mind from basics, from scratch to the complex level. We are going to train you in the next 3 months. So this is a completely no coding or zero coding platform we have in the market. Okay. Now team, introduction to ERP. What do you mean by ERP team? ERP stands for the acronym Enterprise Resource Planning. Means what team? It's a business process management software that manages and integrates companies' financial, supply chain, commerce, reporting, manufacturing, and human resource activity. See, you take any company in the market, the any company that you know in your personal life, our very well-known Indian companies, if you want to take Reliance Industries, Tata Group, L&T, or let's say Apple, Amazon, Google, any company that you know, you take it as an example team. In every organization, different business processes are involved. If a company have to run, in that company, there will be a HR department or human resources wing who will be responsible for managing the employees in the organization. There will be finance department or finance wing in that company who will maintain entire financial aspects of that company, accounts payables, receivables of the organization. If it is a manufacturing company, every company will have supply chain department, procurement department, then marketing, sales. So team, any organization you take, in order to function, different business processes are involved. Different verticals or different departments will be there in every organization team. So, in order to conduct all these day-to-day business operations, every company will be requiring a tech-based software applications team. For example, I will come to human resource department. Many of you know, even freshers also you know team. What is the role of a HR department in any organization? HR department people are responsible for maintaining the manpower in the organization, employees in the organization, starting from recruiting the employees, onboarding the employees, their transfers, promotions, their salaries every month processing, employee leaves maintaining, their appraisals every year, from hire to retire of any employee in the company. HR department people will be handling team. So take example of HR department team now. So in order to conduct all these day-to-day HR activities team, the HR department people in any company, they want a robust modular tech-based software application. You can ask me, Kumar, prior to this IT, how these all things happened? Obviously, 1970s, 1960s, everything traditional way. Manually, they used to maintain team. How many people are working? They used to write down in the books or Word or Excel. Or every day they used to take the attendance. Who is present today? Who is absent today? Even in our childhood, we've been seeing, right? If anyone came from any small industries your family is from, how the workers, whether they are present or absent, they used to maintain attendance books, right? So if it is a small company team, even today, if it is 20 people, 30 people, 40 people working company, That's okay. Manually, they all can maintain that transactions team. But if a company size is 1,000 employees, 500 employees, 15,000 employees, or 10,000 employees team, manually they can't maintain team. So they require a modular tech-based software applications to conduct their operations team. So one such application offering by Oracle to cater HR related services in any company team. That is our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. So basically, in any organization, in order to conduct the day-to-day HR related activities in the company, our Oracle HCM Cloud applications will be used team. So like our HCM, Oracle Fusion Financials for catering the financials is there. Supply chain management product is there for SCM. So in any company team, to conduct all these business operations, companies will be using different softwares in the market team. One such product offered by Oracle Corporation is Oracle Fusion Applications team. Within that, our technology is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. HCM means what team? Human Capital Management. Nothing but this is a HR related software application team. So in any company, day-to-day HR activities they have to perform. This Oracle HCM Cloud will be helpful team. Here many of my friends will have a common doubt. Kumar, once we learn this technology, you are saying that we will be working as a HRs in the company. No, HRs means we don't have a long career or good packages in that industry. We don't want to start the career in the no. This is the main problem. Many people will be confused here thing. Even some of the people from recruitment backgrounds who spoke with me, they also asking the same thing. Kumar, do we starting our careers as a HRs in the company? Absolutely not. You are not going to start your career as HR's team. This is a HR related software applications. Once you learn this technology, you will be starting your careers as a software engineers in this technology team in so-called IT companies in the market. So you are not going to be a traditional HRs in the company. Our tool or technology is related to HR, but we are not working as a HR's team. We are going to work as a implementation consultants, nothing but a software engineer on this technology or a domain team. So ERP is nothing but team business process management software. So basically ERP is nothing but a category or a family. Under that, many different companies offering their products in the market team. So like Oracle offering Oracle Fusion, we have SAP, we have Salesforce, we have Workday, we have Pegasus, we have Northgate, our very Indian owned ERP Zoho. These all are ERP products in the market team. ERP is a category or a family. Under that, different products are there. So we are going to learn one such product from Oracle, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So any company, when they buy the product from Oracle, they will be using that in their in-house HR operations to conduct team for day-to-day HR activities to conduct team. So this is about our Oracle Fusion HCM and ERP concept in the market team. Okay. Then let me move to what is Oracle Fusion application. See, if anyone asks me, Kumar, what is Fusion application? I can best describe Fusion application as they built on open standard based platform, they built on best business processes, and they can be deployed through selection of options. See team, built on open standard based platform. Any one of you joining the demo today, you have prior technical experiences. You might be working in Oracle SOA or JD Edwards or DBA, anything, to just have a understanding about the background of the Fusion system team. Fusion applications backend, the schema built on these technologies team. These are the different individual technical tools available in the market. Oracle SOA, WebLogic Server, JDeveloper, OBIEE, Web Center Portal. These all are different individual technical tools available in the market. So the Fusion applications backend built on these technologies team. So this is nowhere related to the interviews. No one will ask you in the interview. Just out of the box, I'm covering this. Okay. But this is something every one of us should know. Oracle Fusion applications built on best business processes. What do you mean by this team? Whatever you are seeing here, Oracle EBS, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, these all are the different ERP applications available in the market prior to Oracle Fusion and even now. Let us go to this slide to understand Fusion evaluation path team. See, prior to 2006, and going back to the history, prior to 2006, all these are different individual ERP products during that time. Oracle's own product during that time, EBS, Oracle e-business suite. PeopleSoft is one application owned by PeopleSoft Enterprise team. JD Edwards is owned by JD Edwards. Siebel is owned by Siebel Corporation. So team, prior to 2006, all these are different individual ERP applications owned by different companies team. But at that point of time, none of the applications in the market very good at all the business functions team. For example, if you take PeopleSoft, PeopleSoft is very well known or matured product in HRMS area, our HCM team. JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials. Siebel is very good at CRM, customer relationship management business area. Hyperion is good at reporting. E-business suite is good at Fusion financials team. Sorry, financials team. So every product having the strong command only in one or two business areas team, but no application during that time is very good or stable in all the business areas team. So what Oracle did in the year 2009, when team, very important this is, in the year 2009, Oracle with $18 billion acquisition. That was one of the biggest acquisition in the world during that time. In 2009, with $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all these products in the market. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion, and anyhow, they have their own product that is e-business suite team. Okay. What Oracle did, they have taken best applications from the market. The knowledge team from PeopleSoft, HRMS knowledge, Oracle taken. From JD Edwards, procurement and financials knowledge it taken. From Siebel, CRM knowledge. From EBS, their own application during that time, financials knowledge. So by taking the best knowledge from all the existing products during that time, Oracle developed a new age futuristic technology or an application that is Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications team. So in the year 2009, Oracle acquired all these products. In the year 2011, Oracle introduced Fusion applications into the open world. Hare Kumar, 2011 Oracle applications came. Now we are in 2025, almost 14 odd years. You are telling to learn now in 2025 these applications. They are very old applications. No. Do we have good market in this domain now? Absolutely. In the year 2011, Oracle introduced the applications into the open world, saying that proudly we are coming up with a new age ERP, that too on a cloud based technology, right? But it took almost 6 to 7 years for Oracle to penetrate into the market team. Because any product, when you launch in the market, immediately it won't get into the demand, right? It will take some time. So 2011, with a beta version, with the basic versions, Oracle introduced its Fusion system team. But the actual adoption by the customer started from 2015, 2016, 2017 onwards team. The actual market for Fusion application started from 2015, 2017, 2016, from that point of time. The biggest advantage with Fusion applications team now, during that point, none of the application is stable in all the business area. But now we can say proudly, Oracle Fusion applications are very stable, very matured in all the business areas team. You take HCM, you take financials, you take supply chain, you take PPM, you take CRM. In all business areas, Oracle Fusion applications are very best and very matured product in the market currently team. And the most advantage that Oracle having compared to SAP, people also have this doubt in mind. Many of my friends already having this question in mind. Kumar, SAP is good or Oracle is good? Workday is good, Oracle is good. See, there is no point of good bad here team. The kind of market for them. If I ask you, Samsung mobile is good or Apple mobile is good. Everyone will have their opinion, the user's dependency, correct? So we can't say that which is good. Equally, both are good. The purpose is same, right? But the kind of market grabbing is important here. When you're choosing a career, which technology is performing well in the market, which application many customers using in the market, you have to decide accordingly team. The best advantage that Oracle having is Oracle acquired all the best applications in the market. So whoever the customers who using these technologies team, Oracle insisting them to move to Oracle Fusion rather than Oracle forcing all their old customers who using these application to move to Oracle Fusion. Officially, till 2030 or 2035 only, Oracle is going to provide support for these old applications team. So every customer of Oracle PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, EBS, they will be moving to Oracle Fusion team. So that is the market corner for Oracle. Compared to SAP team, Oracle crossed SAP market already. It's been 5 years from now. Since 2020, if you see the quadrant research paper, Oracle in the ERP segment is the top notch in the world compared to SAP or Workday or any other ERP team because of this rich customer base with Oracle. So many customers nowadays moving towards Oracle Fusion team, and that too, these applications are on a cloud based technology. Means what team? Unlike other applications, you no need to install the software, anything in your laptop or PC team. Just like this. This is Fusion Applications team. This is the URL. See, just pass the URL into your internet browser. It might be Google Chrome, Firefox, anything. So just it will open up with username and password. Just I will give a sign in, like how we log in our Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn profiles, same team. See, this is my Oracle Fusion applications team. See, Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM applications. This is how. So how easy to handle team. There is no need to install any software traditionally how we used to handle. No need to run any software. No servers to be maintained. It's just a cloud based application team, a URL. So that is the reason many clients or the customers in the markets or the companies using Oracle Fusion application. But due to this phenomenal spike in the customer adoption team, the kind of resources, employees who working in this technology are not up to the mark. So currently there is a resource crunch in this domain team. So that is the reason companies are recruiting the candidates with very good packages in this domain. We have personally seen my students, because every month whoever being passed out will have a long alumni connections team. Even 3 4 years back, students will come and they will discuss their career discussions and all with me. So I've been seeing person with 10 lakhs package, when they switch the company, they were directly getting 18 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 100%, 20% hikes also companies are giving, but only for talented people, not for everyone. But there is a market. There is a market. If you learn the technology, market is not there. That's different story. If you are good enough, you are technically good enough. If the market is good, you can able to grab that. That's what my point here is, team. So any company in the market you take, starting from top MNCs, anything you take, Deloitte, TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Capgemini, Cognizant, to the startup mid-level companies, the companies which are in Kukatpalli or High Tech City or nearby also, team, even grassroots level Oracle Fusion projects are there in the market. It could be support projects, testing projects, depending upon the size of the company. From startup mid-level companies to top MNCs, in every company in this technology, the projects are happening. So there is no doubt about getting into organizations that there are no calls in the market once we learn. Nothing like that. If we are ready enough, the market recruiting very good in the current situations, team. So this is about Oracle Fusion evaluation path, and they can be deployed through selection of options, means on premise and a cloud. On premise means, team, the old traditional approach. When a company want to buy the product, they used to buy the server, they used to install that server in their own office premises, they used to recruit the team to maintain that team, system administrator, DBA administrators, network engineers, security admins, the application they should install into the server, they have to run the software in the system. That was the traditional approach, team. But now completely Oracle offering their Fusion applications on a cloud based model, team, as I shown you. Now any company, for example, Reliance want to buy the product from Oracle, they want to use this for their day to day HR operations. So just they will subscribe, they will pay the fee, application they will get, team. So Reliance no need to buy server, they no need to install in their office premises, they no need to maintain the application, their security, upgradation, testing, nothing. So ease of handling the application came, team. So that is one advantage in the Oracle Fusion applications we have. So this is about, team, Fusion applications evaluation overview. So for what purpose we will be using these applications, we understood. Now, what we will do, you are going to learn this technology from me. What you will do in the market, in what sort of companies you will be hired. Let us talk about that, team. Types of companies involved. Any software application you take, not about Oracle Fusion, okay, DevOps, Azure, Python, Java, any application you take, team, typically three types of companies will be involved in the usability of the application. First, team, service provider or the vendor company, nothing but who is selling the product, team. For example, Oracle India Private Limited. I mean to say, this Oracle Fusion applications are owned by whom? These applications are owned by whom? They are owned by Oracle Corporation, team. So that is service provider or the vendor company. Company who selling the product in the market. I will come to this point in next 5 minutes. So Oracle Corporation team owning this product, Oracle will sell the product in the market. Okay. Who is called as client or customer? From last half an hour, many times I used the word client, customer, or even if you discuss with your brothers or sisters or colleagues who already working in IT industry, frequently from them you will be hearing the word my client is like this, my client is this, my client is that. They are very strict. Client. What do you mean by client or a customer here? Client or the customer company is nothing but company who is purchasing the product from Oracle. Company who purchasing the product from Oracle in order to use in their day-to-day life. Okay. Okay. In order to use in their day-to-day life team. For example, Reliance Industries, Virgin Mobiles, L&T Infrastructure. Okay. Let's take up team. We all very well-known company for us, Reliance Industries team. Now, Reliance Industries want to buy this Oracle HCM Cloud applications in order to conduct their day-to-day HR operations. So, Reliance Industries will be called as client or the customer. Company who buy the product from Oracle in order to use in their day-to-day activities. That companies we called as client or customer. Let's say Reliance bought the product from Oracle team. Now the role of consulting companies will come here. Very important. Please focus. This is to be known for everyone because what we are going to do after learning this technology will get answered here. Okay. Many of you will have that question also in mind. What we will do after learning this. Focus here. Now, Reliance bought the product from Oracle. So Reliance is not a IT company. Reliance bought the product from Oracle. When Oracle gives the product team, Oracle will give the application with all standard functionalities, how they have to work team. It's a blank application with standard functionalities Oracle will deliver to Reliance. Now Reliance Industries want someone to configure their application in order to use in their day-to-day activities team. So Reliance having presence in 10 countries or 20 countries. They have some 20-25 companies registered. In that they have different departments, different operational units. These are the different job titles they will use for their employees. In different locations they operate. And Reliance leaves are like annual leave, casual leave, different leaves they will provide to employees. Right, team? So Reliance want someone to configure the application according to the requirement. So what Reliance will do, team? Reliance will reach out to consulting companies in the market. Consulting companies means companies who implement the product according to the client requirement. So-called software companies in the market that we know, like example, Deloitte, Techem, Cognizant, Accenture, Capgemini, you name anything team. These are called as consulting companies. So client or the customer companies, when they buy the product from Oracle, in order to use that in their day-to-day life, they need someone to configure their system with their data. So Reliance will give project to these companies team. So once you learn this technology, you will be hired in these IT companies in the market on this technology as a software consultants or software engineers. Designations might vary company to company, but you will be hired in these companies team. When a client or the customer gives the project to our company will deploy us for that client project. So we will be working for the client project implementation team. Means they bought the product and their data is this. They will tell us we want our system to be configured like this. So we will be doing that implementation team or configuring of the application for them. So these are the three types of companies in any software application usability will be there. Client means who buy the product to use it in their day-to-day life. Consulting companies means company who implement the product for the client according to their requirement team. Okay. And then, Kumar, you kept here IBM, Deloitte, Accenture. They are consulting companies, no? Huh? Why you kept them in service provider? C team, world is very big. Oracle alone cannot market their product. For example, you take iPhone team, Apple mobile, you take iPhone you can purchase directly from the Apple Store, or you can purchase it from Bajaj Electronics, Chroma, Lot Mobiles, Sangeet, anything. Different vendors are there. Correct? iPhone, Apple directly will sell. At the same time, Apple will give vendorships to different players in the market. They will also sell on behalf of Apple, right? Same, this also thing. Oracle alone cannot sell their product to the entire world. Okay. So Oracle will also get partnered with these IT companies because these IT companies are doing projects for their product. So Oracle will be partnering with them like gold partnership, platinum partnership, silver partnership. That is not required to you. That is from high level business point of view. So sometimes on behalf of Oracle, these companies also will be selling the product to the customers and they will implement it. So this is types of companies involved. Now let me move on to fusion environment releases. This is very important, team. Many places this topic will not be covered, but this is really important because when you learning a technology, you should start from basics directly. If I open the application today only, if I explain you, this is this icon is this is this, that is not the correct approach, right? First you should know the background of it, how that will evolve it from over the span of time, right team? So let us first understand fusion environment releases. It means in the year 2011, I told you Oracle introduced the fusion applications. When Oracle introduced this, what is the release version that they came up with? R1. So the release version Oracle introduced the fusion applications is R1. So team, as I informed to you, today we will be stretching the session slightly. So for one day, please adjust. Okay. From tomorrow, we will be having strict policy of 1 hour per day because I know many of you have their offices after 9 o'clock. I do understand. But as it is a demo, the session will be slightly stretched, team. So please be patiently in the call. At the end of the session, I'm going to explain you all the course features and also the offer price that we have for the enrollment team. We have some additional benefits in the enrollment today. We came up with an offer. So please be on the session till the end, and even you can discuss with me whatever you have at the end of the session. So just next 15-20 minutes, please be on the session team. So in the year 2011, when Oracle introduced this applications team, they came up with R1 release version team because this is also a software product. Even our Windows, how we have Windows 7 to Windows 8, Windows 8 to Windows 9, or our Android mobile or Apple mobile, you take iOS 9 to iOS 10. So Fusion application also will have the versions team. So in 2011, when Oracle introduced the application, it came up with R1. Since then, it got evolved. Now the Fusion applications is in R13 team. So the latest Fusion application is R13. Actually, by 2017 and early 2018, during that time only, Oracle reached R13 version. But what Oracle decided team since then? Huh? What Oracle decided team since then? They made R13 as a static release in their application team. So if anyone asks you, you are working in R13 team. So Oracle made R13 as a static version. By 2017, 2018 only we reached to R13. but Oracle made that as a static version for Fusion team. Within that, subversions Oracle following. But here, team, you have to know something important. From release 1 to, okay, from release 1 to release 10, during this time, whoever the clients purchased Fusion applications team, Oracle sold Fusion application both in on-premise and cloud models. During that time, who bought the product? But from release 10 onwards, team, completely Oracle stopped on-premise. Whoever the clients purchasing the product from Oracle from these releases team, completely Oracle providing the Fusion applications in a cloud-based technology. So if anyone asks you that in which version of the application you worked on, 2017-18 only R13 came. Even if you keep any experiences also, 3-4 years you will keep hardly. That means 2025 now. So 2022, 2023 you will keep. By that time it is in R13 team. So you tell that you worked in release 13 in Fusion application. That is the latest version of the system team. But within that, we have subversioning team. For example, if I go to the system, this is our cloud application team. So usually this all I will introduce to you tomorrow team. All these icons are what is the names that we can refer the Fusion system, all these things. But let me take up what is the latest version of the system as of today, 30th May Friday. What is the latest version? So you can come to the right side settings and action. We have here about this application team. If you go here, you can see what is the latest version of our Fusion system. Huh? What is this team? Something coming as 25B 11.13. Kumar, you told it is R13, no? Fusion application version is yes team. You see here, application development framework, REL 13, middleware extension, REL 13, database compatibility, REL 13. The Fusion application version is R1325B. As of today, R1325B. Huh? What is this R1325B? What do you mean by this team? See, Oracle follows quarterly upgradation policy team. Very important point when people learning this domain. Okay. Quarterly upgradation policy Oracle will follow. See, Oracle Fusion applications are used by many companies across the globe. More than 90 countries Oracle having their business team. Okay. It's a very global, big product. You go to Europe, you go to Asian countries like India, Sri Lanka, or Afghanistan, or Pakistan, or even in US, Canada, okay, or Australia, anywhere you take team. Good number of companies using Oracle system. So Oracle, in order to be competitive in the market, to be on the top notch in providing their services, Oracle invests a lot in their research and development. So every 3 months, Oracle will upgrade their application team. So what happens during that time? Phenomenal changes it won't bring. Basic cosmetic level changes. In every module, some new enhancements, some new features Oracle bring in. And any bugs, any issues, bugs means any errors in the system are there, that fixes Oracle will bring in, because they want to improve their application more user friendly, more customer engaged kind of thing. So Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy. So in a year, how many quarters we have team? Jan to December is our year. So quarter means every 3 months is a quarter in financial terminology. So in a year, 4 times Oracle will upgrade their application team, and Oracle categorized the quarters like this team, like Jan, Feb, March. Okay. Then April, May, June. Then July, August, September. Then October, November, December. So team, these are 4 quarters. Each quarter, Oracle designated them as A, B, C, D. So 4 quarters in the year, Oracle designated them as A, B, C, D. Okay. Now I can see here the latest version as 25B. 25 means the year we are in, 2025. B means we are in second quarterly upgrade. We are in May month. May. May means what, team? It's between April, May, June, right? So the current version is 25B. So every year, 4 times Oracle will upgrade the system, and the versioning it will take up like this, team. Now we are in this year, this second quarterly upgrade, team. The version is 25B. Next, by the time we complete this program, 3 months, we enter July. So the next quarterly upgrade, team, in the month of July, when we come, the version will change to 25C. And at last quarter in this year, it will go to 25D. Last couple of months, Jan, Feb, March, it was 25A. So every year, 4 times Oracle will upgrade the application. Every three months it will upgrade, team. So whenever they upgrade, the versioning will take up like this, team. Next year when we enter, the versioning will come as 26A, 26B, 26C and 26D. Last year it was 24A, 24B, 24C and 24D. Every year the versioning concept Oracle will take up like this, team. Each quarter they named as A, B, C, D, and they will be taking up the financial year and followed by the quarter we are in, team. Kumar, then what is this 11.13.25? Let us debug that, team. R1325B. We understood what is this 25B means. Okay. 11 means the year Oracle introduced the applications in the market, 2011. That is, 13 stands for release 13, R13. 25 stands for the financial year, 2025. 04 stands for we are in which quarterly upgrade now? 25B means second quarterly upgrade in the year. In this upgrade, in this quarter, what is the first month, team? April. April, if you count January, February, March, April. April is fourth month. So 04 stands for that, team, and 0 is common. So if you want to make the screenshot, you can take. Next quarterly upgrade. In the due training program only, we will be entering the July month, right? 3 months program. Now it's almost June. Okay. So next July when we reach in our mid of the training, our applications will upgrade to 25C, team. So the next quarterly upgrade will be 25C, 11.13.25. In this quarter, first month is what? July. July means 7. So 07.0. 0 is static, common, team. So this is the versioning pattern system will follow. Every 3 months, Oracle will upgrade their system. So here, team, in real-time projects, we have to be performing some activities. So when you are we have different projects, team. Once you learn this program, when you cleared the interview and when you join the organization, you might be mapped with implementation project or support project. What are they? You can keep on hold, team, when we come to our workshop sessions. So we have a workshop concept, team, real-time implementation, how it will happen. Because I know many of you will be keeping some experiences and you will be trying for the jobs. But in reality, what happens in the project, you don't know. Subject related questions, you are okay to answer because 3 months I will be training you, you can answer them. But in every interview, some process oriented questions will be coming to you. Something like, what are your day-to-day responsibilities in the project? Or currently in which phase of the project you are into? Or when you go to office daily, what are your day-to-day works? What is your team size in the project? Have you been to on-site anytime in your project? These are what? These are general questions in your employment, but you have not worked on. You are keeping experience and you are dropping the resume. You will get catched here easily by the interviewer team. So to overcome all this, really what happens once you get offer, once you get into the company, from day one, okay, how to dress onwards, we'll be covering up in the workshop team. So that will give you some realistic exposure as if that you really worked in the project, though you didn't worked on, but you are showcasing the experience. You have to talk about that in reality. So we will be conducting some workshop sessions on that team. During that time, I will let you know what is implementation. One second, team. Just I will walk through that PPT. Just I'm unsharing my screen. Just a second. Uh, just give me one second. Just I'm resharing my screen. Okay, fine. Let it be that presentation somewhere I have moved on. One second. Let me. Okay, fine, team. No problem. Let me just share it back. So you'll be conducting some workshops in that. So during that time, you will be getting the knowledge on how the implementation project will have different phases in the project, something like from kickoff meeting, requirement gathering to till go live, what documents we will prepare in each phase, what is requirement gathering, what is solution designing, what is BR100, core configuration, what is go live, hypercare support. So all these implementation project and support project overview we will be providing to you. So during that time, I'll be touch basing to you every quarterly upgrade in the real time projects when you are working, what activities you have to perform. We will be taking up some sanitary checks, impact analysis testings, regression testings and all team. And we will prepare some impact analysis document to the client. Hey, in this upgrade, these new features Oracle bringing in. So we have to take up these functionalities which will be useful to our current configurations or something like that team. We have to present it to the client and all. But what are that activities I will cover during the workshop session on implementation and support project overview. And team, every quarterly upgrade when Oracle updating their system, okay, upgrading their system, some new functionalities Oracle will be bringing, I'm telling. So we should also update along with the application how it is growing. So in the knowledge repository, I will navigate where we can find the Oracle documents team. Oracle will provide very clear documents for every upgrade they do. In this new upgrade, what new functionalities in each modules they bringing, a document Oracle will prepare team, easy to understand with screenshots and all. Where to get that? In our knowledge repository, I will cover team. So this is about Oracle's quarterly upgradation policy and release version. And now the most important aspect in the entire training program we should know. Our technology is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Okay. Our technology is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. So now in this technology, we have the concepts like functional and technical. So what comes under functional? What comes under technical? First of all, team, we have different modules in the system team. Modules in Oracle Fusion HCM. Okay. What are the modules we have in Oracle Fusion HCM team? Let me list it down so that you can able to correlate easily, team. We have something like core HR or global HR. Okay. Then we have something like absence management. Then we have something like payroll management. Then we have something like talent management. In talent team, we have again sub-modules like profiles, goal management, performance management, succession management, like that. Then we have compensation and benefits team. These are two modules, but we call them together actually, benefits. Okay. And then we have something like some advanced modules team. We have OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. Then we have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Then we have something called OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. And some advanced modules we have again, Help Desk, okay, or HCM Communicate. We have a couple of modules like this team. Okay. A part of this, we have the other concepts in the system like security administration, okay, then workflows and approvals. Then we have customizations, okay, where we have the concepts like sandbox, HCM design studio, okay. Then we have something like team inbound integrations, okay. Inbound integrations where we have HCM data loader, HDL we call it as, or spreadsheet data loader, okay. Then we have something like team outbound integrations. Here we have team the reporting tools like BI publisher reports, okay, OTBI reports and HCM extracts. Then a part of this team, we have something like fast formulas. Okay. One common concept we have team like this. See, in Fusion system, the total concepts, nothing I missed out team. In the entire Oracle HCM cloud applications, these are the total concepts we have. Among them, what comes under functional, what comes under technical means, if you ask me, these are part of functional team and these are part of technical in the system. Functional and technical side means these are the concepts we have in both the areas. So all the modules in the system, we call them as functional, and these aspects will be called as technical team. If you ask me personally, Kumar, if you tell what will be technical, security, workflows and customization, I will not call them as technical team. This part are also functional only. But we, even including me, I have to take this, all the training institutes in the market to cover the syllabus in a two different ways. Technical training to offer separately. We bifurcated these topics into technical. But as Oracle Applicational Standards team, functional consultant only will work on these aspects also. But for training purpose, we are segregating this to technical usually. So in Fusion system, functional and technical means these concepts. So what are these team? So basically core HR or global HR module we have. In this module, all our clients organizations we configure. Nothing but employee management will happen in this module team from hire to retire, hiring of the employee, his transfers, promotions, demotions, terminations. Entire employee management will handle in core HR module team. Then absence management module. This is entire leave related things team. What type of leaves that your client providing to their employees? What are their rules, calculations, their formulas and all we will define here team. So employee can apply the leaves, everything. Then payroll. This is salary processing module team. So every company have to pay salaries to their employees, right? So in payroll module, we will be seeing what all salary components that your client paying to the employees, what are their calculations, how they should process. Entire salary related things we will see in this module team. Then talent. In every company, performance appraisals will be there. If you are working professionals, you know already. Every year company will do performance appraisals and your promotion, demotion will be decided team. That module is this one. Then a part of payroll team, a part of salary, if anything company want to pay to the employee, like bonus, overtime payments, shift allowances, or some shares that company want to pay to the employee. On top of salary, anything getting paid, we have compensation module to cater that team. Then benefits module. In a country like United States or Canada team, many like employees have to be enrolled with different insurance plans, Medicare insurance, health insurances, life insurances team. So that all will be handled related to employees in the benefits module. Then we have OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. Employee attendance capturing, his time sheets, his biometric punch in, punch out, his swipe in, swipe out. Entire employee attendance tracking will be handled in OTL module. Then we have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. See, employee hiring will start first of all from recruitment team. First, business will identify the need. They will tell HR, hey, in our department, we want 5 people in this designation. So the HR people will post that in different job portals, download the profiles, conduct the interviews, then release the results, then release the offer letters, onboarding of the employee. The entire pre-employee onboarding activities will handled in ORC module team, Oracle Recruiting Cloud we have in the system. Then we have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. So let's say if your client company want to conduct some trainings to their employees, they want to maintain some video lessons or lectures. Every employee have to undergo that trainings. They have to write the exam certificates they want to issue. For all employees, if a company want to conduct any trainings team, OLC module will cater that. Oracle Learning Cloud, we have that team. Then help desk or communicate. It's an internal communication ticketing module team between all the teams in the organization, between the employees, any communication channel that you want to build. Then we have a module called help desk and communicate team. Then we have secure a part of these modules team. We have something like what is that team? Topics, something like security administration. In this topic, we will be seeing the user account creations to the employees in the core HR team. I mean to say, in order to log in team, I logged in with my user ID, correct? When I came to this application, user ID and password I given. So for the employees in the client organization, how the user accounts will be created team. The entire access management in the system, we will be talking in security. Then across all these modules, when the client side employees using the application team, okay, many approvals client might expect. Let's say your client might ask, Kumar, if any employee apply the leave, it should go for manager approval. Or any HR transfer the employee, it should go for manager approval. So the entire approval management in the system, we will handle in workflows and approvals module team. Then we have customizations concept. Let's say when when we log into the system, here I'm getting Oracle logo or the background theme coming with some blue color theme. My client asking me to customize the system. Kumar, here I want my company logo to be coming. The background should come with white color, or these icons I don't want like this, Kumar. Can you please change it? Okay. It could be anything, any customization of the application you can able to perform through this sandbox concept. We are going to train you on that here team. Then we have inbound integration team. What is that? Bulk data uploading tools. When we are in the real-time projects, when we are implementing team, let's say Reliance is our client. Assume we are working for a IT company. We got a project team. So now our client bought Oracle Fusion system, but till this time, our client might be using SAP Success Factors or PeopleSoft or EBS, some other HR system they are using team. And our client employee size is some 15,000 employees team. So all their existing employees data available in their old legacy system, currently what they are using, it might be SAP or PeopleSoft or whatever team. When we implementing Oracle Fusion system to the client, all their clients existing data from their existing legacy system, we have to migrate into Fusion. We have data conversion phase in our project team. So all data from client's old system, we will migrate into Fusion, upload into Fusion. So Oracle given team, HDL and spreadsheet data loaders team. So we will be talking for data migrations in this area here. Then once we implement all the modules, we have reports concept team. Client might want the real-time data about their company. Today client might ask you, Kumar, in the month of May, how many employees applied vacation leave? Please give me a report. Or Kumar, in the month of May, for how many employees I have paid overtime allowance? Give me a report from the system. So team, any data from the Fusion system you want to extract, we have three reporting tools Oracle given team. BI Publisher report, OTBA report, HCM extracts team. So we will be covering the reports in this outbound integration concept. Then the most important in the system, fast formula. Okay. And the most burning requirement also, if your profile contains fast formula in the resume, I mean to say, when you drop your profile in the Naukri, your profile will get screened easily team. I mean to say the demand is there. So across different modules, absence you take, payroll you take, compensation you take, for several validations, for several calculations, fast formula concept we have team. So these are the total concepts. Nothing I left out in this technology team. We have all this. So here, what comes under functional technical also I told you. So any prerequisites, Kumar, to learn this domain? I told you zero. This part team, this BI publisher part only, we require SQL knowledge team here. Except BI publisher, rest of the areas we never required any prior requirements team. I'm not telling you to learn SQL now. If you know it, fine enough, fine. But if you don't know, leave it, not a requirement. Because one point everyone to be clear here is whoever working in this technology, no one will have the knowledge on all the aspects. And even market not require that candidate also team. So BI reports you can exclude in your resume. Don't keep that. A part of that, 99% of the application, nothing is required priorly to learn. No SQL, no PLSQL, no Java, nothing, right? So team, as I made a statement here, none of the employees working in this technology in the market will have the knowledge on all the aspects team. You have to be knowledgeable at least three modules or maximum four modules from functional and two three modules from technical. But what are they? That I will tell you in our placement workshops team. For your interview preparation, I'll be taking the sessions on how to prepare the resume first of all. If it is fresher, how to do. If it is experienced, gap filling, how to do. What sort of projects to keep. Then how to create the Naukri account, LinkedIn account, how to upload the resume, how to speak with the HRs once you receive the call. I'm going to take the workshop on all these things. During that time, I'm going to tell you mainly what are the key concepts that you have to be keeping in the resume. And one more thing, team. Now, the recruitment happening very clearly on all the three roles. Basically, once you learn this technology team, you will be hired within these roles in the market. What are the roles team? This is important. One is functional consultant. Okay. And the other one is, I'm winding up team, just give me 5 minutes. Technical consultant and then techno functional consultant. Okay. Market is till now is in a clear standards. In these three roles, you will be recruiting team. In a project, if you ask me, let's suppose 10 resources are working in a project team. You in a team of 10 members, let's say, you are working for any client. The weightage I am talking team, 7 to 8 people will be functional consultants in the project team. How many? 7 to 8 people, functional consultants. 2 to 3 only technical consultants will be there because team, the scope of technicality in Fusion system reduced. Prior to Oracle Fusion, Oracle e-business suite, if anyone comes from that background, technical dependency is very high team, but Fusion applications are easy to go or easy to handle modules team. So the technical intervention, the actual core technical concepts in Fusion are, if you ask me, these three components only. Inbound, outbound, fast formula. Even fast formula functional people are handling. So if you ask me, core technical are only these two components in Fusion system. So the dependency of technical resources became less. If anyone guided you, learn only technical, you will be in a trouble. Never, I mean to say that you can't get good calls when you drop the resume team. Functional, if you want to go alone, that is also fair enough. But the most demanded, the high demanded role, techno functional consultant. Take it as granted. This is my personal what do you say, assurance to you. I can tell it to him. Take it as granted. Because I've been traveling with a lot of HRs in the market because companies will be reaching out to me for trained resources every month. So the only requirement we're receiving from clients are techno-functional. Because simple team, rather than taking two resources, if I take one employee who knows both, that will be easy, no? Huh? That will be easy for them, no? I mean, cost cutting wise, see, you want to hire a person in your company. Rather than hiring two people, if you hire one person who knows both works, cost cutting or saving to you, know, right? So that is the reason, team, the market now recruiting the candidates on a techno functional. So when you learning this technology also, don't learn only functional, only technical. Techno functional, both sides of the coin, you should be expertise. Okay. Our training, now let us come to the training features team. Our training is going to be HCM techno functional. We are going to cover these modules team: core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation here team. These 5 modules. In technical side, all these will be covered: security, workflows, customization, inbound like HDL, spreadsheet, outbound, BI, OTBI, fast formula. Every concept will be covered team. Whatever I bolded here, these will be covered team. So benefits will not be covered. Benefits will not be covered. Comp S. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, comp, security, workflows, customization, inbound, outbound, fast formula. Kumar, these things mandatorily we have to keep in the resume. Even that is not required. But while learning, you should learn maximum components team. But reality, when you dropping the resume, at least 3 to 4 modules, whatever you comfortable in functional side, you pick up them. From technical also 3 to 4 concepts. What should keep that I will tell in our resume preparation sessions. So this is our course curriculum for the program team. And these are the roles currently market recruiting. Now let me go to the program details here. Okay. So the course details team. This is going to be a 3 months intensive program. So when I say intensive program, it is not just theory. It's going to be an end-to-end real-time project implementation training. Once you complete this program, you will handhold full project lifecycle experience team. So if you showcase some sort of relevant experience in this domain, 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years, if you are showcasing also, this training will be sufficient team. At every level, in real time, what we will do, what documents we will prepare, each phase, how we will interact with the client, everything practically will be training you here team. So 90 plus hours of training, which will be the span of 3 months. Today is a demo. From tomorrow, we are going to start regular sessions. The actual timings, so I have to correct these timings team. This is from old batch. The timings will be actually, please focus here, nothing to confuse. Monday to Friday, morning 8 to 9. But today is a demo, we extended more. But from tomorrow, it will be morning 8 sharp. You are going to start the session. We are going to start the session. By 9 o'clock, I'm going to end because I have a followed up session after 9 o'clock team. 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. 3 slots I have filled. So 8, 9 to 10 again I have a batch. So your timings will be 8 to 9 a.m. every day. So timings, please correct. This is not the correct timings. From old batch, this sheet I am using 7:30 to 8:30 was last month team. So tomorrow onwards, the batch starting morning 8 to 9. You can ask me, Kumar, tomorrow is Saturday. No, you are telling Monday to Friday. Yes. From next week, that will be followed Monday to Friday, 3 months. But tomorrow also, I planned up for continuation team. As it's a new batch, I want to have a continuity. Tomorrow, we have the sessions. Our regular classes will start from tomorrow team. So tomorrow sharp 8 o'clock, the Zoom will be switched on. By 9, we are going to end team. So I request everyone, please be on the time from tomorrow. So 3 months program, in that what you will be getting along with the live training, Monday to Friday morning 8 to 9, you will also get lifetime access to the video recordings. When I say lifetime access to the video recordings team, okay, in our website, any one of you can go team, triotechsoftwaretrainings.com. Just Google it. This is our website. Here we have our e-learning portal team. You are joined for live classes. Let's say go to live classes, log in here in the yellow button. You will be prompted to log in to your portal. Give your sign in and password details team. You will land upon your course dashboard. Here you can see your enrolled course. So whatever the courses I am seeing, that you can able to check out team. So your course will be shown up here. All the sessions day wise will get uploaded team with the topic wise. What is that session is about? So you can click on that. You can play the session. all sessions will be module wise uploaded every day. This portal access will be lifetime team. So you will be able to access that through your mobile also. Lifetime access to the video recordings will be given along with the live training. Now also session is recording. So usually every day 8 to 9 if session happen, by 10 o'clock the session will upload. Because I know many of you will be traveling to the offices, something you might be missing on a daily basis. Don't worry. At your free time, complete the session, reach out to us for any sort of doubts if you have team. And in this program, you will be getting 5 months. As part of offer, I will tell you, you will be getting 7 months till today. But in general, you will be getting 5 months of Oracle server access for practicing the real-time fusion application team. That what you will work in real-time projects, that Oracle fusion application will be given to you for practicing for 5 months. Okay. And then for every module, real-time live projects will be given. Either me or my team, my colleagues who are working team. From our projects, whatever the requirements that we received from the clients, for every module, we will be sharing you that requirements and we will make you to work in the application. And we will ask the assignments to submit back for evaluation also team. So you will be getting all these course benefits as part of this program. And a part of this, from interview preparation point of view team, teaching is not a big deal. Anywhere you might get the concepts. But a part of that, from TrioTech, what are the additional benefits as part of interview preparation you will be getting means, as I told you, first I will be conducting the sessions on resume preparation. How to prepare the resume. Fresher means how, experienced means how. Then how to drop them into different job portals, how to create a Naukri account, how to create a LinkedIn account, how to reach out the HRs in LinkedIn. That all will be taking up team. A part of that, for every module, we will be providing you the materials team. This drive folder after the enrollment today, every one of you will be receiving. Whoever already enrolled over the last 1 week, today you will be getting the emails. Don't get worried. This materials drive folder you will get team for every module. This is core HR, compensation, absence, payroll, then interview question, everything team. If you go to core HR, all presentations and the most important, custom materials team. Oracle materials are very vastly lengthy. Our own custom materials for every topic. You don't need to make the notes team. For every module with screenshots and navigations. If you don't have the time to follow the recordings, just by following this document, you can complete that module team. So this is 130-page document for core HR module. Like this, our customized materials for every module you will be getting. And also assignments, as I told you team. For each and every module, the real-time assignments you will be getting like this. We will give you the requirement and we will ask you to configure this requirement and perform the transactions team. So here you will have the transactions, scenarios, different test case scenarios we will give. So in order to perform that scenario, steps how to perform. So every module, we will be providing you the assignments. This is for absence management team. So the real-time requirements that what we received, we will be providing to you as assignments. You can practice on that. Then for each module, the most important point is interview question and answers team. Everywhere you might get interview questions or sample questions, but we have a dedicated material for interview preparation team. So you can find the interview questions here, questions and answers. For every module team, we have them. So what is the question and what is the answer? Starting from freshers to the experienced, scenario based questions, everything is documented team. This repository is not just like that I built over the span of time, where my students, when they attending the interviews, I used to ask them to record them so that they can able to discuss with me. That questions team, all the real time interview questions with answers, you will be getting as part of the materials. And even company wise, we also segregated team, the interview questions. For KPMG, what sort of questions that students received team. Then for TCS, what sort of questions they received. Then for Avalon, how they received. Okay. Then for say, the Digital Ease, this is one company by name. Or for Infosys, or for Oracle directly when they attended the interviews, how the questions been asked. So we have all ample materials for your interview preparation team. So you will be getting that repository as well as part of your enrollment. And resumes, after I'm taking the session, I'll be giving you the sample resumes to your team. So you can prepare the draft version and you can share it back to our team. We have a dedicated placement officer and the HR in the Hyderabad KPHB office team. They will be evaluating your resume before dropping. So any corrections needed, any guidance needed, dedicated placement officer for the batch will be there. They will be guiding you team. And coming to the doubts, every day after the session, I will be available to address your queries. Beyond that, if you have anything, daily 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. WhatsApp support, or you can directly come to the institute in Hyderabad if you are from nearby. Sit in the office, practice team, or I will be available. You can come and practice team. So one-to-one doubts assistance also will be there. And the most important point, interview referrals. Every month, companies will be reaching out to us for trained resources team. It could be freshers, it could be experienced, right? So we from our side will be also sharing the profiles to the companies. Many of you, whoever having our contact in your WhatsApp list, probably you might be following our statuses. Every day we will be posting the job requirements team. So once you get enrolled, after the payment, you will be added into your WhatsApp community. So every day the job requirements will be posted to you. So these all for freshers only team. Avalon, Clover, B-Trans, any degree. See, any degree for trained freshers team. Not only for freshers, all requirements will be posted to you in your WhatsApp community. So you can follow that and you can apply to that as well team. And even freelancing opportunities also we will be receiving from the clients. So today we are going to share one freelancing opportunity in our social media platforms. You can even go through that team. So these are the course highlights. So what you will be getting as part of this program. 3 months intensive program, a perfect roadmap to complete and get the job. Monday to Friday, morning 8 to 9. But tomorrow we have a session. Saturday it is, but we have lifetime recording, 5 months of Oracle server access with projects and all you will be getting. Now you can even see our success stories of the students team. Directly you can go through Google, type TrioTech software trainings in the Google. You can find our address and all team. And even you can find our place student success stories here also team. Whoever the people recently submitted. Okay. So these are the real-time reviews of the students team. Sai Krishna currently from our office, he's practicing from last 2 months team. Yesterday he got placed with Capgemini. So he given the review here. So different reviews from real-time students you can able to experience from the direct Google profile, or you can go to our YouTube channel team to check out the presence of TrioTech since when we are. Okay. So what kind of content that we are uploading every month to make yourself confident enough to take up the program with TrioTech. Okay. Directly in the YouTube, you can type TrioTech software trainings, or you can follow us with Instagram team. And few of the placement success stories you can even find here from our students team who replied back with their gratitude to saying their happy news, something like they got selected team. Okay. You can see different WhatsApp screenshots. They have personally replied back to me. And we can see some of the recent student success stories as well in different companies, whoever got placed. Here we have freshers also. You take Saket or you take Sai, okay, or Poonam, Anudeep. These all are 2 years to 3 years experienced people. And we have freshers also from Avalon, Drive Stream. They are got placed team. Fresher in the sense, Saket came from a different background, I mean to say, with 2 to 3 years of relevant experience, he have showcased and he got placed at team. So we have different people from different backgrounds coming up. There is nothing, any constraint. You should be from IT only, then only you can switch. Nothing like that. These all from different backgrounds team, not from IT. They all get placed in different companies. You can find their video bites directly in our Instagram or YouTube channel as well. And some of the placement success stories we can show you here. But putting aside all these things, ultimately it's your efforts. Okay. Training, dedicatedly 3 months I'm going to provide. But how much you are putting in the subject, the kind of commitment that what you are putting is matter here, team. So this is about the course features. And coming to the enrollment point, our team already reaching out to you with the Google form. In that you can submit your details, and also the registration link for the payment also available in that Google form. If not, you can reach out to us directly in this number, or whatever the point of contact you have with our number, you can reach out team. Again, admin team shared the details. The actual course fee will be 25,000 plus GST. But in general, for every month, for every batch, for day one enrolled participants, we will be giving an early bird offer team. So people who completing their enrollments today, you will be getting the price with a discount of 22,999 plus GST, with some add-on benefits you will be getting. Strictly people who enrolling on early bird, you will be getting these additional benefits team. Usually 5 months server access you will be getting. Fusion application for practice. People enrolling with early bird, you will be getting 2 months additional server access worth 6,000. In general, you inquire any institute in the market, just give a message to them. Do you provide Fusion instance for practicing? Per month, they will charge around 3,000 to 4,000. Some institutes charging 5,000 also team. On an average, 6,000 worth instance access, additionally 2 months you will be getting. So your server access total will wind up to 7 months team with this offer price. And the most important benefits you will be getting is real-time project HDL templates. Here I told you one topic here. We have something called HCM data loader. One concept is there. So ready-made built-in templates, that what we are using in our projects team. So you will be getting ready-made built-in templates for different business objects. In that concept you will be getting. And you will be getting real-time fast formula templates. Many of you will have a problem in learning the fast formula, being it a complex concept. But we are going to provide you the ready-made built-in fast formula templates team, that which we prepared from different case studies in real time. So almost 100 and plus ready-made fast formulas team. All these are real-time requirements. So what is the logic of that formula, right? So this document you will be getting additionally as part of this enrollment team. So people who interested to enroll to the program, please do complete your registration team. From tomorrow, we are starting the classes morning 8 o'clock. So whoever enrolled, two things will happen today for them. One, you will be getting email from our company for your portal access team, our TrioTech website access for your logins team. Okay. This e-learning portal access you will be getting today. And the drive access, all the materials drive access you will be getting team. A part of that, you will be added into WhatsApp community of your batch. So though it is 30th, we will consider this as a May batch team. So you will be added into the WhatsApp community. Starting from tomorrow, new meeting link will be shared to the participants who enrolled. Only demo will be free team. From tomorrow, regular classes are going to start. So tomorrow, if you have to attend, please do complete the enrollment procedure today to get this offer price enroll team, and get yourself added into our WhatsApp community and get your access. From tomorrow, new meeting link will be shared only for the enrolled participants. Okay. So this is about team, the course features. Actually, two more concepts I am pending for today. This I will take up tomorrow. Oracle Knowledge Repository, certification, the Redwood and AI part. Okay. This we will take up tomorrow. Okay. Now, any questions as such in today's topic, team? Now the forum is open for Q&A. Any questions?
Hi,
Online?
Kumar.
Yes,
Hi,
hello.
Kumar. Nayab here.
Nayab.
I have a question around the templates, the requirement gathering templates that you mentioned. Is that something will be available in the folder, or would that be on the community chat?
In the drive folder, you will get Nayab that we will be sharing. Requirement gathering, solution designing, test cases and all.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, hi Kumar, Sai.
Yeah. Yeah, please. One at a time. Sai Kiran, please.
Yeah, are you available today at the office?
Yes, I will be available. After 11:30, I will be available. You can come down.
Okay, I'll stay at Himayat Nagar in Hyderabad. I'll come to
No
you in
problem.
physical and let's talk to you.
No problem. No issue. Please come.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hi, Kumar.
So first functional will be covered, Harshita, then only technical. Because first technical, if I cover the background without having a knowledge, you won't understand that. First functional and then technical. Yes, someone asking.
Yeah, hi, Kumar. Sneha here.
Sneha, please.
Um, so, how many people will be there in one training session? Do
We
you do
have
you have?
120 is usually 100 to 120 we have every batch.
So, would you be available to cover everyone's doubt after the session?
Maximum we will be
How is
covering.
it?
If not, you have a call or WhatsApp support. You can reach out offline also. If not in that session, you can reach out anytime.
Okay, and are you going to be the only trainer?
No, we have total 3 trainers in TrioTech. I will be
Okay.
taking live sessions, but for drought addressing, we have different other people in the queue.
Okay. And you said you'll be covering real-time projects and implementation projects. So do you mind sharing how many projects we'll be working on?
There is nothing, how many projects, any project, you have to understand the entire to and fro process from
Okay.
requirement to till go live. If you understand this process, you can implement any project in the real time.
Okay. Uh, I understand that, but would you be able to tell me how in
See, we will
general
give
how
you,
many
we will
projects
give
do?
you, see, projects, how it will be given is in the form of assignments. So for every
Okay.
module, we will share the real-time requirement to you and you can able to implement that in the system. So there is no limit to that. We can have different permutations and combinations in that. You can request us, we can able to help you out. No problem.
Okay. So would I be working on real-time projects that your
Real-time
colleagues
projects
have?
means it's assignments, not in the real-time companies we are going to make you work. Understand? There's a lot of difference in that. Whatever that you do once you join the organization, that experience we are going to provide you here. That is what the meaning of real-time project means. Yeah. Next question, team.
Hi, Kumar.
Yeah, hi Kumar. This side Trupti.
Trupti, yeah, Trupti, please.
Yeah, I have doubt about the placement. Okay, I actually
Mhm.
have 2 years of gap between my education, so I have doubt if I cover that course. Okay, after 3 or 4 months, what
Mhm.
was the placement like?
Trupti, yesterday
You
I
give
think
me?
you had a call with me, I believe, right?
Yeah, right.
So I have explained already in that session because it is a recording. We cannot explain that gap feelings and all in the session because this will be uploaded into the YouTube. We'll discuss that
Okay.
offline. You reach out to our number here, okay?
Okay, no issues. And one more thing, as you say, you provide the recording session. If I never attend the session, okay. So
Hmm.
what was the like 3 4 days? It will be like
Every day,
missed, right?
all sessions will upload in the portal. At your convenience, you walk through that and you reach out to us for any doubts if you have.
Okay, understand. Thank you so
Next,
much.
thank you, Trupti. Next question, team.
Yeah, hi,
Hi
Kumar.
Kumar, this is Rauf.
Anyone, Rao for Pujita, someone. Yes, yeah.
Yeah,
Proceed.
Yeah,
Is it okay?
yeah, Pujita, please. We can, yeah.
Yeah, hi Kumar, good morning. Yeah,
Go
thanks
ahead.
for the session actually. So
Thank
I have one doubt on the timings of the class. So
you.
do we have any evening sessions?
Evening Pujita, last month actually I started 7:30 to 8:30. Already close to 16 sessions we completed. Again, evening batch will be in the month of July. It will take 3 months to complete that batch. So July end, we have evening slot again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to continue in that, you will get the backup of that. You can cope up with that. Or you can try this. If there is something, any lag, you try to continue in the upcoming batch. No problem in that to me. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Like if I want to join in the previous batch, like you said, like 16 sessions were completed. So can I join for the first 16 sessions in the morning and then
You
continue?
can.
I
You
mean,
can.
both the sessions, can I join?
Yeah,
Morning and
parallel you
evening?
can.
Oh,
Definitely.
okay.
Team will guide you.
Oh,
Reach out to the support. They will help you out. Okay.
okay. Sure, Kumar.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Rauf, sorry, Sheikh Rauf, please.
Yeah, Kumar. I believe the sections will be online only, training session. But
Online.
for practice purpose, can I come to office?
Why not?
As you are
Absolutely
saying,
fine.
it's
Morning 9
as you are
to
saying, it's
6:30.
in KPHB, right?
Correct. Morning 9:30 to 6:30, office remains open. This is the address. Anyone can Google it. Directly you can walk down. The timings will be 9:30 to 6:30. You can come, you can sit in the office, you can practice. No worries.
Do we need to bring our laptop
Laptop is
or
needed. Laptop is needed. You have to
okay?
bring your laptop. But rest of the things,
Okay,
you have to premise with good internet connection, AC and all fine.
okay, sure. Thank you.
Swapnil, Nikhil, Pradeep, someone raising the hand, please.
Kumar,
Yeah, hi.
this is Pradeep.
Yeah.
Okay. So just to brief me about me, I have an experience of more than 15 years in non-IT background. I work for TCS as an, it's something like BPO. I work for an insurance project.
Designation is in TCS?
I'm an assistant manager. I handle a team of 25 to 30 people.
Okay, great, okay.
Okay. So my question is, is my experience can be considered after?
Definitely, it will be considered. The best advantage is you're already working in a TCS company, right?
Yeah.
So what you have to showcase is something like the relevant experience in this domain, in your roles and responsibilities. You are not faking your employment here. Roles and responsibilities you are adding because the designation also suits here. With the experience of 10, 15 years in this technology also, the designations will be managers like that only. So you
Okay.
can showcase that from last 4 to 5 years you are moved to this Oracle HCM Cloud and you're doing projects in that. In that way, you can easily consider. Okay.
But Kumar, in our pay slips and all, and on our offer
Let
letters,
it
it will be.
be. That doesn't matter because many people will be hired in different departments in the IT companies, but they will work for different roles.
Okay.
So how good we are presenting in the interview, how confidently we are answering to the HR, that's matter here. That is not an issue. Employment is genuine. The salary is getting drawn every month from TCS. PF is processing from PCF. Nothing, no issue in that.
Okay.
Next question, team.
Yeah, hi Kumar. I'm Pujita again.
Hi,
Uh,
Pujita.
yeah, Kumar. So,
Yes, please. Hello.
sorry, I forgot. I forgot. I was okay. No problem. You can forward it to
Next,
somebody.
Pradeep, please. Pradeep, tell me.
Hi Kumar, Aruna here.
Aruna, please.
Actually, I worked 8 years as a manual tester.
Mm-hmm.
After that, right now I'm not working. After maternity, I have
Okay.
almost around 5 years of gap.
Okay.
So, will you able to cover this gap or?
We'll discuss that Aruna offline, that how to be done. As I told you, for everyone, the session is being recorded. That I cannot
Okay.
able to explain. Anyone
It
having
will
a
be
gap
possible,
and
right?
all,
If I learn this course,
you can
I'll get.
switch. Definitely, you can switch. Having a maternity break in a women career is very common. That HR people also can understand that. But some sort of past experience into this domain, we have to change in the resume. That how to do that all, our team will guide you. So it's a team one thing. If anyone have doubts related to career gaps and all, better reach out offline to us on the number displaying
Okay.
there or in the directly Google it and find our number. You can able to reach out even in the support. Chatbot people dropping the number here. Please reach out so that they will give you one-to-one guidance on that. Okay.
Hi, sir.
One more
Raise
thing,
your hand.
after completing this course, is it
Mm.
mandatory to complete certification or
Not
without that,
required.
not required?
100% not required. Actually, certifications part we supposed to cover today only, but due to timings, I have not covered that. Tomorrow, I'm going to cover that. Here we have the topic placed certifications. Yes, someone
Actually,
asking. Hello. Yes.
So I just wanted to know any difference between a responsive or Redwood.
There will be a lot of difference, obviously, that we will be seeing in the training. Classic is the old UI, then responsive came. Now replacing responsive Oracle system, now moved to Redwood UI. 100% lot of changes is there between these two.
Okay. And one more thing, whatever you provide instance, okay, within a batch, correct? Yeah.
What
Or
is that? Within a batch?
within batch means one group is there, means 20.
For everyone, obviously, common environment you will be getting true.
Suppose if I create something and another person is create something, then it will be impact on means like
That
override.
obviously will be impacted. That is why every time when you configuring something, try to give some unique names and you go ahead with that. Because for 100 people, 100 environments, I cannot provide, right?
That's right.
It is impossible for anyone in the market. Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. Hi.
I'm Sai Krishna, sir.
Yes, hi, Krishna.
Sir, I have one doubt for this Oracle Fusion HCM consultant job for any company providing work from home job or work from office, sir.
I'm seeing no one is asking this question actually. See, I tell you one thing. Before COVID also, see, COVID doesn't change anything in our life. I mean to say people who working in these domains. Before COVID
Yes.
also, many companies offered remote opportunities in this domain because this is something where we can operate from anywhere. We don't need to go to office, don't need to connect to any VPNs or don't need to connect to any server from the office, nothing. As these are cloud applications, anywhere we can sit and we can able to work on these applications. So many companies prior to COVID also have given work from home opportunities for many employees in their organization, but that depends upon company to company policy. But in this domain, even now, permanent work from homes also is there. Okay.
Oh,
You can take many,
okay.
even my trainers are there in my institute. They never been to office. Some are working in hybrid, weekly, 1 day, 2 days they are going, again they are coming to institute here. But in general, work from home opportunities or remote opportunities are good in these technologies, basically.
Oh, oh, okay,
Yeah,
fine, sir.
fine.
Hi, Kumar.
Hello.
This 90 days, is it 90 hours or 90
It's
days or?
90 hours program. We will cover
Okay.
that in total 3 months period.
Okay.
Some day it will extend to 1 hour 15 minutes. Sometimes weekends we will take like that.
So we can expect June, July, and by end of August, this
Yeah,
will be.
obviously. May
Yeah.
30 today. Tomorrow means almost
Right.
June 1st it is. So June, July,
Right.
August and it will be.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey Kumar, this is Amrit this side.
Yes, Amrit.
Yeah. So as I believe that Oracle is moving towards completely with Redwood, right?
Redwood. Yeah.
So are we going to take classes completely on Redwood,
See,
or it will be mixed of
basically,
responsive and Redwood?
completely on Redwood means whatever the screens now we change it to Redwood. Obviously, we have to cover the training in that only. So
Okay.
whatever not yet change it, obviously have to go with regular. So what the latest update 25B is the latest version. As of today, whatever is the system, in that we will be conducting the trainings. And in the due course of time on the Redwood part, how to enable the Redwood, how to get these things updated in the screens, what functionalities to be enabled in the Redwood, that all we will cover.
Okay. And suppose that after completing our 3 months of course, in the 5th month or 6th month, I have some doubts. So that will be clarified, right?
You can
We can
reach out.
connect
There is
on.
nothing. See, only thing is after you getting into the job, if you come up with job life doubts, it might be a problem. But in general, the regular questions, anytime you can reach out. There is no constraint that after 3 months we are going to stop the support, nothing like that. That's what I'm telling. It's a long connection with the people we have, even from 2017, 16, who are working in different companies. Simply come as a kind of gesture to speak 2 minutes and they will go. There is a lot of connection with the student, no problem in that. Okay. Well, team, I'll conclude here for today. I'm getting some messages to wind up the session. They have offices. We'll continue from tomorrow, team. So anyone have anything to discuss, you can reach out to us directly, team. Support number, drop the message here. And as I told you, please complete the enrollments today to get the offer enrolled, team. Okay. 22,999 is the offer price only for today. The link for the payment also being given to you in the chat button there. So please get your enrollment done. After your enrollment completion, please drop your screenshot to the number that we are giving so that we can able to track you for sharing the access, team. Right? Thank you everyone, team. Sorry for troubling you and keeping you wait for till 10:20. I understand many of you are scolding me, and okay, no problem, team. Let's continue from tomorrow. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity.